Session 20, Company Dinner. It's 7 o'clock. We should start to get ready.
You seem keen on attending the dinner party. It's a company dinner. I thought you'd be dreading it.
There is a possible promotion coming up. I think it would be good to let the management see me in a social setting. It's a great opportunity.
Wouldn't they be more interested in your skills in the office? It seems unlikely that a dinner party is going to help them make a decision.
It can't hurt my chances, though. The management are quite a social group. They are always planning company functions, paintballing, bowling, and various activities.
But you never bothered with those sort of things before.
I know. It is going to be strange attending one of these events, but I think it is something that I have to do if I want a shot at that promotion.
I guess so. What time do we have to be there?
The dinner starts at 10 p.m.
Okay, well, it's Saturday, so I think the buses are going to be full of drunken students on their way into town. Do you want to order a taxi?
Good idea. It's going to be busy, and it's 10 miles away, so I'll order the taxi for 9:50.